Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, now I'm going to explain the electrochemistry chapter. Okay, today our topic is what do you mean by electrochemical cells? Okay, how are they constructed? And also we have to explain the galvanic cell. Okay, taking as an example. Okay, now what do you mean by electrochemical cells? actually a device actually a device which convert the chemical reaction, okay, when during the spontaneous redox reaction, then it produce the electrical energy. That type of chemical cells, that type of cells is called electrochemical cells. Okay, in one of the chemical compound, okay, it produce electrical energy, okay, when during the chemical reaction and spontaneous redox reaction. What do you mean by redox reaction? Means, okay, oxidation reaction and reduction reactions are take place simultaneously and continuously. That's why that type of reactions is called redox reactions. Okay, redox reactions means, okay, when during a chemical reaction, oxidation process and reduction process are take place simultaneously. That type of reactions is called redox reactions. Okay, that device is known as electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells. Okay, example is galvanic cell and Daniel cell is used as a electrochemical cells. That means these galvanic cells are, okay, based on electrochemical cells. And అవి ఎలా వర్క్ చేస్తాయి అంటే ఎలక్ట్రోకెమికల్ సెల్స్ మీ బేస్ చేసుకుని గాల్వానిక్ సెల్ అనేది వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. Okay, now I am taking the example galvanic cell. Galvanic cell means same electrochemical cell. It is a electrochemical cell. Galvanic cell is a electrochemical cell. How to define? It also convert the chemical energy into electrical energy. This device also convert the chemical energy into electrical energy. When means during the spontaneous redox reactions. Spontaneous redox reactions is known as galvanic cell. Okay, it is called galvanic cell. That means any device which device convert chemical energy into electrical energy during the spontaneous redox reaction is called galvanic cell, or is called voltaic cell. Is called voltaic cell. Okay, example for galvanic cell is Daniel cell. Okay, Daniel cell. Now we have to construct the Daniel cell. Okay, how to construct the Daniel cell means, okay, it contains the one, we have to take in the one vessel. Okay, one vessel. That vessel contains the two half cells or two chambers. Okay, this Daniel cell contain one vessel. These vessel contain two chambers. One is left hand side. It can be arranged in, one is left hand side, another one is right hand side. Okay, now left hand side chamber. Okay, left hand side chamber antam lekunte we have to it also called as beaker. Okay, this left hand side chamber is filled with zinc sulfide solution, aqueous solution. That means zinc sulfide is dissolved in water, it gets aqueous solution. Okay, then this solution is filled with left hand side chamber. Okay, then zinc rod Okay, in zinc sulfide, zinc is a metal. Okay, same rod. Okay, zinc rod is dipped into zinc sulfate solution. And taking the left hand side chamber, that chamber consists of zinc sulfate solution. Now in this solution we have to dip the zinc rod. Dip the zinc rod. Then right hand side chamber. Right hand side chamber is filled with copper sulfate solution. Okay, that means copper sulfate is dissolved in water. It gives a solution, aqueous solution. That's why is called copper sulfate solution. Okay, copper sulfate solution is taken in right hand side chamber. Okay, then similarly same copper is a metal now. Copper rod is dipped into this solution. Copper rod is dipped into the copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. Okay, now these two, then left hand chamber, it can be the zinc rod is act as a anode. Similarly copper rod is act as a cathode. These two electrodes are connected with one battery. These two are connected with one battery. These two solutions are separated by one diaphragm. Okay, that diaphragm is act as a salt bridge. The diaphragm is called salt bridge. It can be separate the two solutions. It can be balance the ions present in the solutions. Okay, now when we have to connect the battery, the chemical reactions are taking place. The chemical reactions are take place. Okay, now left hand side chamber or left hand side half cell, it can be act as a anode. It can be act as a anode. Okay, that in at anode the oxidation reaction is take place. At anode, which type of reactions are take place means oxidation reaction. What do you mean by oxidation reaction? Oxidation reaction means loss of electron. Okay, or addition of oxygen atom, or removing of hydrogen atoms. Okay, oxidation means at anode, which type of chemical reactions are take place? Oxidation reaction is take place. What do you mean by oxidation reaction means? Okay, the first one is loss of electron is called oxidation. Addition of oxygen atoms is called oxidation. Another one is final removing of hydrogen atom is called oxidation. This three is called oxidation process. Now here we have to take zinc metal. That zinc metal, okay, it can be converted into Zn plus 2 and it releases 2 electron. That means this is a oxidation process is take place at anode. Similarly at cathode copper sulfate solution is okay, it contains the copper rod. Okay, here, okay, the reduction processes take place at cathode. Reduction reaction or reduction processes take place. So what do you mean by reduction process? Means gaining of electron, and addition of hydrogen atom, or removing of oxygen atom is called reduction reaction. What do you mean by reduction reaction? Means okay, gaining of electrons or addition of electrons and removing of oxygen atoms also called reduction, and addition of hydrogen atom also called reduction reaction. Okay, now total cell reaction. Okay, Zn plus Cu plus 2 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus Cu. Okay, this is a reversible reaction. Okay, then how to represent the cell reaction means, okay, like this: Zn slash Zn plus 2 double slash Cu plus 2 slash Cu. Okay, this is the Diagram of galvanic cell. Okay, this is a diagram of galvanic cell. Okay, thank you my dear student. We have to meet tomorrow, okay, by another topic. I will explain another topic in tomorrow. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like. Okay, give one like and on the notification bell. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my lessons, okay, in AP and Telangana state. Okay, this is a very important question for 4 marks questions in AP examination. Okay, learn perfectly. You should have to write the notes. Okay, thank you.